We use 3 different methods to ensure the integrity of our cables and connectors. The first is a pull test. I should be able to pull pretty hard on these connectors without them popping off, like that one just did. Our second method is a visual inspection. I want to look along the whole outer jacket of the cable and the connector body itself. I'm looking for any gashes or cuts in the outer jacket, or any gaps in the connector body build. I found a pretty big gash in this cable, exposing that braided shielding. We could repair that with some weatherproofing as a temporary fix. And our third method is a continuity test. We'll conduct a 3-way point check with our multimeter. The first check we're going to do is pin to pin. If I measure resistance from one center pin to the other center pin, I should have little to no resistance. Ideally, it should be a short. The next check we'll do is shield to shield. And we want that to be a short as well. And our third and final check will be pin to shield. That should be open. We never want those to touch.